There she is. Man, it's smaller than you think. Awesome. Got that. Today I brought this piece to work, welded that in there, came out all right. Haven't welded aluminum in a little while. Hopefully get this blower mounted on here. I could run my, I'm going to try to do something like the Anderson power pipe, come off through here. Probably going to cut this open. We'll see. I want to do minimal cutting, just the way I like it. So I ended up bringing the intercooler, front bumper support to work. Came out here last night, looked it over, figured out how I want to mount the intercooler. So bent up some brackets today. I am going to use that piece in the front. I'm going to mount off of that as well, cut it out a little bit, get it off the radiator, bring it forward, and get as much airflow. It's just easier. I didn't think I'd be able to use it, but after looking at it again, I think I came up with something I like. So that's it for right now. I'll get back to you once I get it together a little bit.